and this is going on YouTube. So, first thing for the Doritos, we have like cool Dorito thing. So here's Doritos. Also, you can see my hat. And it's so light. So, did you know that I actually am like a real little kid football player? Yeah, I'm not 8, I'm just 5. It's almost my birthday. My birthday's June 30th, and right now it's June 10th, Wednesday. My birthday's June 30th, Monday. And yeah, I'm smart. And I'm gonna turn 6 on my birthday. So 20 days until my birthday. Could you believe that? So, yeah. It's pretty close to my birthday. So, first thing to do is get my map that I made. I made an amazing map. Don't know how to make Texas or Alaska. Okay, let me show you. I went too far. Here it is. See Minnesota right there. See Michigan right there. No, Michigan's right there. And Texas right there. Canada's right there. Alaska. Okay. So, just letting you know that my sister, she's not going to be in most of my videos, but she can be in some of them. So, yeah, have a great day. Bye.